get out of the house.
You see all the lights that are out, cops in the middle of the road and shit.
Yeah. Yo, turn back around. Turn back around. Let's just. Yo, you know what? I don't know, man. Maybe.
This is fucked up.
Yo, I'm having second thoughts, bro.
Come on,
You
man.
don't need to fuck today, right, Tyler? Let's.
No, I'm trying to get some pussy, bro. You
Look,
always do
let's.
this shit, bro.
I feel like we should be doing something more positive, like maybe going around trying to help people. Look at the destruction and.
Yeah, I'd rather get my dick sucked.
We need to help the community, bro.
Come on, we gotta help. Yeah, look at this shit, man. Look, oh shit, look at that
One
tree.
dick stroke at a time, I'll help.
Holy shit. Yeah, you know what? Let's not look. Today's just gonna be all about helping the community. Fuck that.
Come on, dude, for real.
Yeah, man.
They're going soft, bro. Like, literally
Look at this
going
shit.
soft.
Yo, I mean, don't you feel bad? Look at this shit.
Isn't there a federal organization that's supposed to handle all this crap? Why do we have to do it?
Yeah, but why can't we, like, be part of the solution, not the problem?
Because we were in
There was
the
people
problem.
looting, and I feel like if we go around trying to take advantage of somebody, then that's like the same thing.
What are you gonna go
It's like we're
around the
looting.
alley club, bopping people on the head,
Look,
trying
yeah, I
to-
want to show some of this. Yeah, slow down. I want to document this. Oh, look at that. Go over there. Holy shit. Is that a fucking tree going through the...
Yeah, man.
Yo, come on, man. This was bad.
It's not that bad. It's a tree down with, what, 4 or 5 fence planks out?
You have no soul.
Yeah, what's wrong with you, Tyler?
Oh, why am I the bad guy? You're the one who woke me up this morning to say, hey, man, let's go find some pussy.
Look at this shit.
Oh, yeah. Now you don't hear me. Oh, okay.
All right, so we're going to turn this into a relief effort.
Damn, look at that. That got fucked up.
Oh,
Okay.
fuck.
Okay, so grab your chainsaw.
Look
Rob,
at that
and start cutting
shit.
it down.
Yo, is that like seriously a fucking tree in the middle of the fucking...
That's a slab of concrete for the sidewalk?
That's what Hurricane Irma did to Miami, folks. Holy
Damn,
shit,
bro.
look at that.
Take the road detour. Take the yard.
You just gonna drive on this guy's yard?
Sorry, man. Gotta make do.
Holy shit.
That's a bad one. Alright, see, that's a bad
Damn. Somebody's
Hope
tree
no one
got
was hiding
fucked.
under that.
Don't hit his
Oh, fuck. Tight fit!
Wow.
Speaking of tight fits, you think you can find some...
Well, look at their light. That shit's about to fall too.
Go out there and push it up.
Go dance on it, bro.
Actually, let's just sit here, see if it falls on us, and then we can claim insurance.
You can pull the window down.
This window is down.
There's a barbecue.
Here.
Wow. They're not. It doesn't work. It doesn't
Oh,
work.
man.
We're not doing so good out
Blame it
here.
on Irma.
We're not doing so good out here. Holy shit.
Oh, look at that. That's a fence. Back up. Come on, that was great. Back up. Guys, this is how you fix your fence when you shit out of luck.
Look at this shit.
So the real fence is on the ground, and check what they did. It's actually not that bad. Little barricade.
It's definitely not surviving any other
What, they
hurricane.
make a walkway out of the old fence? It's like a boardwalk.
It's a boardwalk. Holy shit. Is that someone walking up there?
Yeah.
Yeah, behind the tree right there, there's something.
Go up there. Let's see if she needs help. Is that a water jug in her hand?
It's a big water jug in her hand.
That?
Yeah. Hey. Sorry to scare you. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Did the hurricane get you pretty bad?
I mean, this is my neighborhood. You know, you see how bad it is. Luckily, a couple trees missed our house, but it's, yeah, I mean.
Yeah, sorry about that. Let me introduce. My name is Jose, and we're driving around because we're just trying to be like, like a relief. If you guys need anything, trying to look for people if they need something. Maybe cut some trees out of the way for free, stuff like that. Just maybe donations. We know the spot that actually has gas and water, so we're just trying to. I noticed.
All the way to the store, and they're out. So, and they're the only one around here that's open. So.
Wow, you walked all the way to the grocery store?
Yeah.
They're out of water?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty bad out here.
I know it sucks.
Yeah, I mean, do you guys have power?
No, not yet, and we're almost out of water, and I'm just trying to get a little bit more.
Oh, we get it. We're good people. Look at us. We're fucking driving around trying to help victims. Like, we're nice people, actually. Right? Yeah, right? How many people can do that? Huh? Yes, I'm still without water.